In a major crackdown on drug trafficking, Assam Rifles, in coordination with the Pongchau Police, apprehended a drug dealer on Wednesday and recovered 41.25 grams of brown sugar at Longding district in Arunachal Pradesh. As per reports, market value of the seized contraband is estimated to be Rs 8,25,000. The drug peddler, along with the seized contraband, was handed over to Pongchau Police Station for further investigation. The apprehension is a major blow to the illegal drug network in Longding district.